In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a rule in Outlook. If you've ever had emails skipping your inbox, landing in the wrong folder, or triggering auto replies you no longer need, a rule is likely behind it. Deleting that outdated or broken rule will get your mailbox back to normal. I'll walk you through it clearly, step by step, and share a few helpful tips along the way. First, open Outlook on your computer. Make sure you're in the desktop app. These steps apply to the classic Outlook interface on Windows. Once Outlook is open, go to the top left corner and click File. This takes you to the Backstage view where you can manage account settings and tools that affect how Outlook behaves behind the scenes. From there, choose Manage Rules and Alerts. This opens the Rules and Alerts window. At the top, you might see a drop down to pick which email account you're managing, especially if you have more than one set up. Be sure you've selected the correct account before you proceed, since rules are stored per account. You'll land on the Email Rules tab. Here, you'll see a list of all the rules currently applied to your mail. Take a moment to scan the names and descriptions. The description gives a quick summary of what each rule does, like moving messages from a sender to a folder, or flagging messages with certain keywords. This helps you confirm you're targeting the right rule. Click once on the rule you want to remove to select it. You'll notice it highlights, indicating it's ready for action. Double check the description to be certain, because once you remove a rule, it's no longer available to run in the future without recreating it. Next, click the delete button. Outlook will ask you to confirm. Choose yes to confirm that you want to permanently remove the selected rule. Don't worry, deleting a rule doesn't delete any of your existing emails. It simply stops Outlook from applying that automated action going forward. To make sure your change takes effect, click apply and then click OK to close the window. Apply locks in the change and OK brings you back to your mailbox. From this point on, new incoming emails will no longer be processed by the rule you deleted. If you don't see the File tab or the window looks very different, you may be using a newer Outlook experience or Outlook on the web. In that case, look for a Rules or Mail Rules section in your settings. But for the classic desktop app, that's all there is to it. You've successfully deleted a rule in Outlook.